data recovery for my husband, but he found it online and it's out of business right now.
Seems to be.
They're out of business.
I figured if they moved, they would put a new address on their website. So the website sells the old addresses. They just closed up shop.
Okay.
Florida. Yes.
Because the processor's bad.
Q.
Okay, let that. I'll do it. I'll do it, hun.
Yes.
Leave it.
Yeah, at this time, I'll do it.
Let it sit for a second. Because
W. E. S.
Gadget, guys, gadget.
T.
the processor sucks.
Space.
Yeah, that's crazy.
The Best Buy over there. Oi, hon.
Oh, on that little way of street.
Yeah, the Best Buy is right there.
This is restaurant time.
This husband is just... Where are you going?
Nice place to reopen.
I don't know where my husband bring me.
Only not Chinese.
I told you already, it's a parking space for Best Buy. It's just hard to get over. I love you, I love you. Huh? Huh? Ultra?
Walmart, yeah.
Walmart? Oh,
Ultra
Walmart.
too.
Maybe Target had, you know.
I think it's an older version. Wait, this is Ultra too.
I don't know. It's a very nice property here, guys. It's my husband's friend's house. Excuse me.
This is a nice view, and it's not usable for anything.
This is the back of the house. There's a big lake here, and there's what is that there? It's very clean, green. Hmm? That's a mansion, huh?
It looks like private. It could be a house. Not sure.
I see the water in there. They're close to the water.
Yeah, it's all private owner stuff. Not like you can walk through here and go to the beach.
Put in your bed.
What?
Put in a bed.
You in a bid? Yeah, but
It's crazy. Wow, there's houses here. Wow, this big houses. Unbelievable. It's just like a freaking hotel.
yeah, only they're not. They're all private residence. Scary as it is. I mean, you're gonna run into some hotels over here.
What?
There are some hotels out here. I'm saying these places that look good, like they're big enough to be hotels, and have private residence. As you go closer towards West Palm, they get bigger.
The water right there.
Now there's a public beach at least here. They kind of belong to this stuff. Not sure.
What?
Not sure if it's public beach or belongs to these buildings over here.
I don't know.
It's kind of warm up, so it may not be public. No animals or anything else. I guess it's public. No animals.
Closed at Thomas Street, B1A, on July 4th.
They're doing a fireworks show.
It's crazy. This house is hotel, it's obvious.
Oh, is this? Yeah, no, if you went the other way, it's all private houses. Over here, you're going to find more hotels and stuff. Then you get further down and back into private houses.
Yeah?
This is where Alan used to live. He turned here.
Alan?
No.
Yeah, Atlantic Avenue.
Alan, huh?
No.
No? That's not Atlantic Avenue in Delray?
No. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's not where I live.
No, you turn there to go there.
Yeah. I'll show you where you can turn.
There's
This
a
is
public
Delray,
beach. They got a
huh?
lifeguard here.
What?
Delray, yeah. I said they got a lifeguard station here, so this is public beach.
Yeah, this is a public beach. You want to go for a few minutes?
What's you, huh?
No, I don't want.
You want to walk the beach?
Okay.